Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Indoorsy Mom. Today, I'm sharing a super easy and flavorful vegetable dish that's perfect as a side or even with just rice. It's garlic water spinach with savory sauce. If you love garlic, you're going to enjoy this one. It's quick to make, budget-friendly, and so satisfying with that delicious sauce and crispy garlic on top. Bring a pot of water to boil with a pinch of salt. Add the 2 bunches of water spinach and blanch for a few seconds. Rinse immediately in cold water. Drain and set aside. Pulse or mince 2 heads of garlic. Heat oil in a pan. Sauté all garlic until fragrant. Set aside half. Continue cooking the remaining garlic until golden and crunchy. Set aside for garnish. In the same pan, return the sautéed garlic, not the crispy one. Add oyster sauce, soy sauce, black pepper, sugar, vinegar, and water. Let it simmer. And that's it. Our super easy and flavorful garlic water spinach with savory sauce is done. Perfect with hot rice or as a side dish. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you tried at home, let me know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe for more easy and delicious home-cooked meals. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.